What should you do if you didn't get the IELTS score you wanted? Simple. Watch this video. The number one topic that teachers don't always talk about with their students or are unsure about is what to do if their students didn't get the IELTS score they wanted. So consider remarking your test if you're in any of these situations. Number one, if all your sections have different band scores. For example, speaking band 5, writing band 6, listening band 7, reading band 8. The scores are meant to be nearly similar. Number two, you had better scores on previous tests. Number three, the audio equipment failed in the listening test and you couldn't hear properly. I've had experiences when neighboring classrooms or the location itself was just too noisy to focus. If your center said they would provide headphones but in actual fact used a speaker, this is not your fault. Number four, obviously, you have lots and lots of cash. Number five, remark only the speaking and writing sections if you can, because there is less chance of error in marking reading and listening. Okay, now don't think about remarking if you are in any of these situations. Number one, if you want to remark listening and reading, of course, unless you're very sure. Number two, your speaking and writing tasks are incomplete. For example, you didn't complete the speaking test, such as you left the test midway, or you were not able to do it for some reason, or you just got nervous. And if one of the writing tasks was not complete. Number three, this is a very common one and top of the list. Sometimes candidates in the writing section don't answer the question directly. Though they wrote about something, they wrote about something else. This doesn't count. Number four, if you've always consistently had lower scores in one particular section, well, in that case, you just need to work on that section in future. Okay, so lots of suggestions here. I know, still confused? That's okay. If you can wait 6 weeks, probably even longer, then do it. If you can't wait for 6 weeks and you need that score urgently to apply for study or immigration, just do the test again. Remember friends, these are my honest suggestions from my experience. If you've had different experiences, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you for listening. That's it for this video. Bye for now.